Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're continue working on our 03 Mustang Convertible that we copped at the auction. Today's video is going to be a short one. We're going to be replacing a driver's side and passenger side airbag along with the module. Well, let me show you the current status. As you see, both airbags are out. I had to remove this bad boy out because I drove the car home. So we're going to be replacing a driver's side, passenger side airbag along with the module. Module is going to be located right behind the radio on the floor, and let me show you the module that I copped. I got this one at the pick apart. It was 16 bucks. It's currently sitting on its platform, but you really don't need a platform in order to replace it. So what you have to do is get rid of these 3 screws and pull it out on the driver's side. Obviously you have one connector. It looks like there's 2, but it's actually one that is working. This is the airbag that I pulled out, and these are the new airbags that I got. They're not same color as current interior, so we're going to be painting this quickly. I got this classic coat. It's a dark graphite, should match the car pretty good. I kind of did a little spray test and seems to match reasonably, but we'll see when we paint the whole thing. So let's get the airbag painted, and then I'm going to show you step by step on how to remove these two and replace them along with the module. The airbags have been cleaned very well, and I taped it up a little bit. I don't want the tape to go on here. This one is cleaned. So next step I'm going to be using is a Bulldog at the AC motor, because this thing is really good, makes everything stick to anything. Like I was just gonna go without it, and as you can see right here, I did this with my nail and the paint comes off. So you definitely need a DC motor. So I'm gonna hit it with this. The directions is on back, and then I'm gonna hit it back with the paint itself, and it should match the interior. Stupid dog. The airbags have been painted, but the color is a little bit off. We'll see when we put in the car. We got the module, so now let's change the module. Let's take the passenger airbag out and put a new stuff in and see if the light goes away. Alright, from passenger side, there is the module right between driver and the passenger compartment. So as you can see it right in there. So we gotta get that off. Alright, that was a little bit tricky. This is the old one, this is the new one. Same item number, should work. So now let's take out the passenger airbag, and I'm gonna show you how I do this because there's 3 different ways to take it out. I'm gonna show you my way. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do this. There's certain ways. You can get this bad open, squeeze these 2 things out, drop it down, and then you can access the bolts from the back here, or what you can do is you take this bad boy, run it through here, come back on this side, find the screw. I think I'm looking right on it. Alright, the airbags are put back together. The color is off. It's not even close to it, but it'll do right now. So let's put a terminal back on and hopefully it doesn't blow up. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, airbag light is on. Sweet. Perfect. The airbags are done. Got the new windshield in as well. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to change this bad boy. It's all reddened out. But here are the final results of the airbags. You can see, since this one has more surface, it's not as dark as the driver's side, because you can see the driver's side kind of matches a little bit more better to the interior. Well, that's gonna conclude for the airbag install, and now we just get to go and do the paperwork and start driving the car on the street. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.